All right, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a variety of resources that you can look at in case you get stuck on HTML or you want to go further than what I've shown you. Remember, this is just the basics of HTML, and I'm going to teach you more tags as we go along, but this was just an introduction to HTML. So with that in mind, let's go to, open up another tab here. Let's go to google.com and let's type in Mozilla Developer Network. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter and we're going to click on MDM Web Docs. Now instead of doing that, let's just click on HTML. And this will give you a in-depth articles about what HTML is, tutorials, references, all that. And this is a very important tool to use because honestly, I don't even know all the tags, okay? I use probably, I would say 30 tags at most on a daily basis. So I've taught you probably 15 or 20, and those tags are valuable for what we're going to be doing here. But like I say, you're going to learn tags that you have never used before in the future. So with that in mind, I'm just going to show you this real quick. So if you do like introduction to HTML, it'll give you an overview. It has guides. It has what's in the head, metadata in HTML, HTML text fundamentals, creating hyperlinks, advanced text formatting, document and website structure, debugging HTML. And then it will give you other information here. So this is a very valuable tool, and this will get you even further along in your studies in HTML and CSS and in JavaScript and any other languages that you want to learn. They have JavaScript here, they have CSS, they have HTML, and these are very good tutorials and information to follow up with. So that's a very important tool. And so with that in mind, what I'm going to do in the next video is we're going to start learning CSS. So remember, this is a very important information here, MDM Web Docs. It will help you with a lot of different things that will arise. And one thing with programming is you have to learn how to troubleshoot and research solutions. So this is a great tool to find the solutions for any issues that may come up, you know. And remember, programming is fun. It's not something that is scary or anything like that. The key is to have fun with it and to enjoy it and to learn to love it. And once you learn to love it, then this will be second nature to you. I can speak from experience on that. So, and I love coding, I really do. It's a lot of fun. So with that in mind, I'm going to see you in the next video, and we're going to start learning CSS.